Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. We'll be looking at various aspects of these products to help you decide which one is the better fit for your kitchen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below with your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more kitchen gadget reviews. Now let's jump right into it. When it comes to the price, both the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven offer great value for their features. The Nuwave Brio air fryer is priced at $99, while the Gourmia air fryer oven comes in at $89. Both products are reasonably priced, making them affordable options for air frying enthusiasts. In terms of cooking features, both the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven offer a wide range of options. The Nuwave Brio air fryer comes with 100 pre-programmed menu presets, allowing you to grill, air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, reheat, defrost, toast, and more. It also has 50 additional memory slots for your own favorite recipes. On the other hand, the Gourmia air fryer oven offers 12 one-touch digital presets, giving you the convenience of easily selecting the perfect cooking mode for your dish. If you're looking for a larger cooking capacity, the Gourmia air fryer oven might be the better choice for you. With its XL8 quart basket, it can fit whole meals, eliminating the need to cook multiple batches. On the other hand, the Nuwave Brio air fryer offers a standard-sized cooking capacity, which is still sufficient for most cooking needs. Both the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven provide a healthier way to enjoy fried foods. They use superheated air and efficient airflow designs to cook crispy and delicious fried foods without the guilt. The Gourmia air fryer oven also features fat removal technology that removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. When it comes to cleaning, both products offer dishwasher-safe accessories, making cleanup quick and easy. When it comes to warranty, the Gourmia air fryer oven takes the lead. It comes with a comprehensive 1-year international warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. The Nuwave Brio air fryer also provides a warranty, but the details may vary depending on your location. It's always important to check the warranty details when making a purchase. And there you have it, a comparison of the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Both products offer great performance and features, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below on which air fryer you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!